Greetings. This is Starseed once again. Big up yourself. Yeah, man. You are the mix up and things. See? Alright. So you see today now? Today we're going to talk about the Junkin Master. Yeah. What I say we're going to talk about? Junkin Master. Alright. Here we are going. You ever go up on an NZ and you and your brethren make a flex or family member or what the case may be, and you go and chill out their spot and order around a liquor. You know notice say your brethren tongue first liquor drink him tongue get heavy. Come like him attack and a jab blah blah blah. What type of thing that? Them you call Junkin Master. As they smell the buckle, then junk. Them not have to drink it. Them just smell it and then junk. Roll and a turn over, kin over. Jump on them face. Them there what you call Junkin Master. See people like them there, them body not structured properly. Them body want yam and dumpling and banana every day. People like them that have to eat good because them body can't hold no substance. You see what I say? If you know say you drink one light beer and you turn over, nah man, something wrong. And you have some man, you see when them start drink, you can't tap them. None at all you can't tap them. 24/7 round the clock. Them just a beat it. And you see when they wake up the next day, then can't eat. 3, 4, 5 days pass, then can't eat. Because liquor condemn them body. So you have to wait till it thaw out. You understand what I say? No man, you don't have to do better than that, man. Try, man. You don't have to work on something, man. You can't smell the buckle and turn over. Boof. Jab on face, tear up. Tomorrow you wake up, you gotta work, the first thing a man I say, yo, who give you a black eye? You don't feel shame to tell them say you drink and junk and turn over. Cause me would have shame. If you don't want to do that, tell them say you man thump in your eye. Yeah, tell them you man thump in your eye. You understand? Them are what you call name Junkin Master. People, I'm just here to show you some point of view where you can understand and try to make a better step and a better walk. See, if you know say you smell the buckle, see, and then you junk, here what you do, stay far from the buckle. Stay far from the buckle because of the pretty looks. A dangerous something. You understand what I say? You don't love yourself. You don't love yourself. Because if you don't love yourself, you don't know better. You understand what I say? I saw the vibes go. You see what I say? I'm just there to motivate you, so you can step out on the shell and step out in the light. You see what I say? Yeah, man. Just like that. You see what I say? Anyway, Starseed once again here with a quick clip. More all my fans and people big up on yourself. You see me I say, yeah, the mix up and thing. Yeah.